Hello. So, are you all looking for the resources, the best resources for starting your jewelry business? Are you all looking for the best quality cubic zircon jewelry direct from the manufacturing unit? So, you are at the right place. I will show you in the factory how the jewelry are making, the craftsmen, how our craftsmen are making the jewelry. So hi, this is Shutopa again from Indian Fashions. We are the manufacturers as well as exporters from the eastern part of India. So in my last video I have told you that why you should start with Indian CZ jewelry, Indian cubic zircon jewelry. But in my next video I will show you, I will share with you our factory videos, and I will show you that how our craftsmen are making the jewelry. I will show you the jewelry making process, so you would love to see them. And I will also show you the top 5 designs of this month. So please just stay tuned for my next video, and thank you so much. I will give you all the description about us. You will get it in the description box. So thank you so much, and please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.